Assalamu alaikum. My name is Aisha Chaudhary and I'm a student of Aptic Metro Stargate and I'm participating in Vision. My project is fall detection and health monitoring system, which is basically IoT and mobile application based project. In this project, this project is basically designed for disabled people, and I believe that such projects are required nowadays because of pandemic situation. So I'm really proud to come up with this project for Vision, and let's begin with our project.
As we've shown you the first functional feature, which is chatting, now I will be showing you further functional features of caretaker side. I'll be showing you the second functional feature, that is pulse rate and temperature, which is health monitoring system, and with notification on critical conditions. So if you see that we are receiving the notification of heartbeat and temperature, and now if you see the form of pulse rate, we are receiving the notification, and if I place my finger on the sensor, and you can see that the values are changing, and this is not per normal BPM. Normal BPM starts in range of 60 till 100, and other than that we will be receiving notification. And if you can see that we've stopped receiving the pulse rate notification. If I show you the temperature side, so you can see that the values of the temperature are changing slightly. So now I will be showing you notification of fall and tilt detection, and if you can see the prototype, I am basically tilting my wheelchair, and if you see, I have received notification of tilt, and now I'll show you fall detection, and you can see that I've received the notification of
side. We can also view it from here on patient side. Now I will show you our last functional feature, that is movement of wheelchair. First we will connect the Bluetooth with the pair device, that is Bluetooth module, and then I will show you the glimpses of the movement through the voice. Reverse, forward, reverse,
And now this was all about my project, and now I will be telling you that this project is really needed for such a pandemic situation. So I believe that it's really useful. Thank you so much. Allah.